Hello, I am Mark Marihana, the founder of Otis Health. Otis Health is a personal health application, also referred to as a patient-facing app. Members may use Otis Health to collect their health records from many data sources, add their own data, and securely share their records. It is designed to allow members to fetch their electronic health records directly from providers and other data sources via a FHIR API. This FHIR API feature is only available after a member has completed their ID verification on the platform. This demonstration will show how the ID.me IAL2 verification is used to ensure that only verified identities can access sensitive electronic health records using Otis Health. Members log in using their Otis Health credentials, which in this case is an email address and a password. As they log in, Otis Health requires multi-factor authentication. Now we enter the 6-digit code that Veronica received, and now she's logged into her health profile. If we go here to the top right under Managing Profiles, we'll see that she is not ID verified, meaning that Veronica signed up for her account but hasn't proven who she is yet. So if I click on ID Verified, that explains the process of ID verification and why we have it, as well as a link to start the process with ID.me. Now, say Veronica decides she wants to just go ahead and skip that process and try to fetch her records anyway. She's redirected back to the ID verification process and screen. So she can't bypass the process. She has to ID verify in order to use the sensitive ID, the FHIR API features for Otis Health. So we're going to initiate the ID verification process here, and we're redirected to the ID.me site for login. Now we've added Veronica's ID.me login information. This is different from our Otis Health login information. Now Veronica also receives a multi-factor authentication code through ID.me, through their process, and she completes her login here. Now she has to approve what information is shipped back to Otis Health to verify her identification. At this point, Otis Health is matching the data file that ID.me sends and makes sure it matches the profile that Veronica entered in her account. And now we see that her ID verification is complete, and she's able to use electronic health record retrieval services. Next, she'll need to agree to using our process for fetching her health records, and then pick her health record location, in this case, the fantastic Cedars-Sinai Medical Center. The process of retrieving your health records may take a couple of minutes, up to 10 minutes, depending on the connection and the amount of data being brought over. And we know in this particular case that allergy and sensitivity information is being shipped, and we see it received right here. So she has her allergies to pollen, peanut, and penlac, all noted here, all retrieved from Cedars-Sinai. We can also go back now and look at her profile and see that she's now noted as ID verified. So she doesn't have to go through any other process. She's good to go. So going forward, when she goes to retrieve my medical records, she's directed right to this resource here for using our FHIR APIs. Also, we would like to note here a little bit about the security regarding the ID proofing. If Veronica decides later she wants to try to fetch somebody else's health record using her account, she can't change the name already associated with her profile, meaning the ID-proofed identity is now matched and locked to her profile. She cannot change her first name, last name, or date of birth. She can modify her address and phone number, but can't modify the core items that were ID verified as Veronica Persinger. And that concludes our demonstration of the use of IAL2 within the Otis Health application for ID verification and secure data access to FHIR bundles.